equations, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to start off on a really easy one like question 2. What question 2 basically means is when you do a quadratic equation, it goes construct a quadratic equation. You're going to design the quadratic equation. In each case, write your answer in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So you're going to have an answer like x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. You could also have an answer like x squared plus 4x equals 0. You could have an answer like 3x squared minus 10x, I don't know, minus 9. Something like that. That's what your answers will look like. Now, how do you get from answer to question? So what we're going to do here, guys, is you're going to start off really quickly on x equals minus 1, x equals 2. Does anybody remember the second last step? Move it over to your side, and you would have got x plus 1 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. The step before that, both of these are in brackets. And now you have x plus 1, x minus 2 equals 0. Multiply it out. X squared minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. And then finally, x squared minus 1x minus 2 equals 0. So, if I was to redo this, does this look familiar? The factorizing part's not there though, is it? Do you get it that it's basically the reverse of how we do a quadratic equation? The only step that we're missing would be, do you know the part where we factorize it? X bracket x minus 2 plus 1 bracket x minus 2 equals 0. So it's basically the same steps we'd do to do any quadratic equation. So it's really easy. Try another one out. By the way, the answer was back here. That's your answer right there to the question. Okay. Try another one. Try 2 and 2 as an example. So x equals 2, x equals 2. What happens next? X minus 2 equals 0, and then put them in a bracket. X minus 2 and x minus 2 equals 0. Then after that, yeah, minus 2x and plus 4 equals 0. This equation is therefore x squared minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Are we have enough of that? Now, let's try one like question 11. Will be another good one. Question 11. Okay. In question 11, we have x equals minus 2, x equals 0. X plus 2 equals x equals 0. Now look what happens. What happens this time? Then after that, x squared plus, yeah, that's it. Yeah. If we were to do that the opposite way around, what we would have done in the past was say, oh, x is in common. And then we would have said, oh yeah, that means x equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0, and then x equals minus 2. Is that right? Now, one with 13 is another one that has everything in it. Okay, 13. Anybody tell me what we can do with number 13? 13 is a special one. Yeah, it will be. You'll see in a second. So, And after that, yeah, and then x squared minus 1x plus 1x minus 1 equals 0. After that, and it's the difference of two squares. Anytime one answer is one number and the other answer is the minus version of that, it's the difference of two squares. Now finally, number 19. Now I've done pretty much all the types of question here, right? Now this 19 one, x equals a third, x equals minus 2/3. Okay, what's the first thing you're going to do? Bring the 3 back up. After that, bring the 1 over. And after that, multiply it out. 9x squared, 6x. How are you finding this chapter at the moment? Easy enough? Okay. And that's your answer. Okay.